Hi everybody, my name is Chandani and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a purple smoky eye look. If you want to see how to achieve this one, let's get started. So one eye is already done for your reference. Let's move on to the second one. I'm starting with the Morphe 35T eyeshadow palette. Taking this color right here as the first transition color. Moving on to our second color. I'm using the Colorbar Smoky Eye pencil. I'm smoking out the black eye pencil with a MAC Carbon Black eyeshadow. And just to amp up the look, I'm going in with this glitter by Coloressence. Moving on to the lower waterline. Taking a smudger brush, I'm going in with the black. Finishing off with the smoky eye pencil again. I'm using the smoky eye mascara from Bobbi Brown. So the eyes are done. Let's move on to the face. Going ahead with the Matchmaster foundation from MAC. This is 2.0. For blush, I'm using the MAC Coygirl. The highlighter is by MAC again. This is Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish. I'm going ahead with the lip liner. This one is called Soar, followed by the lipstick which is called Brave. Both are by MAC. I hope you like this look, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in yet again. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Till I meet you next time. Cheers guys. Bye bye.